Unable to access a shared folder on Windows? Then you have to try these fixes we have for you in this video. Now, the first thing you should do is make sure your internet connection is working properly. If your internet connection is too slow, you might not be able to open the shared folder. To check your internet connection, you can visit the website to test your internet speed, or try to access other websites or online services. Now, if you're unable to access a shared folder that someone else owns, it is possible that you may not have permission to access the folder. So if you're the owner, open the File Explorer, right-click on the shared folder or drive you're trying to share, click Properties on the context menu, click on Sharing, select Advanced Sharing, click Permissions to edit all the sharing permissions. And if you have not allowed everyone to access the file, make sure you click Add, then add the user manually. Now you have to edit the permissions as needed, and then click OK to apply the changes. Another possibility for shared folder-related errors is a misconfigured networking service on your computer. All you have to do is open Services, find the function Discovery Provider Host Service, right-click on it, then select Restart from the context menu. Now you have to repeat the same procedure with the following services. And that's how you can resolve if you cannot access a shared folder in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.